Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large video files on Gmail. Sending large files via email can be tricky, but with Google Drive, it's simple and efficient. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Log in with your Google account if you haven't already. Next, click on the New button on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Browse your computer for the video file you want to upload, select it, and click Open. A progress bar will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait for the upload to complete. Once the upload is complete, click on the folder icon to find the video that you uploaded. Then select Share from the context menu. In the sharing settings, to make the video accessible to anyone with the link, click on the Restricted drop-down menu. Select Anyone with the link. And then click on Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Now we'll send the video link through Gmail. Open Gmail and click on Compose to create a new email. In the email body, write a message to the recipient. Paste the copied Google Drive link into the email. Add any additional information if needed, and then click Send to share the email with the video link. And that's it. You've successfully sent a large video file via Gmail using Google Drive. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.